devil, bro. That's sick as shit. What's poppin', everybody? We're gonna go to a Volkswagen meet right now. Just the garage open because I'm a horrible YouTuber, but we got the folded seats. Folded seat look today. Seats folded. So yeah, man, we're about to go check out this Volkswagen meet. Last time we went to the same one, it was pretty dead. So hopefully there's something to film tonight. There should be some cool cars there. Maybe if we're lucky after, we can get some runs, but I doubt it. So yeah, I'll see you guys there. Get y'all a little cold start, actually. Can't get enough of that E85 smell, you know? Oh yeah. Gotta get her looking somewhat decent, you know? Even if there's nobody there. I know. These aren't the best for your car. It could scratch, but the car is PPF, so I'm not tripping too hard. But it is just a quick little one, so don't hate me. We'll be fine. About to get a real quick vacuum on this hoe. Man, she looking real pretty though. Dude, the stock rims are actually growing on me. I really didn't like them before, but they kind of hitting. I don't know. I kind of want chrome. My next set of wheels, I kind of want chrome wheels. I think it looks so tight on this color. All right, let's get this done real quick. All right, we just pulled up, man. There's a few cars here. There's some Mark 8 Rs, so let's check them out. Smell good. What do those plates mean? Pretty know. Like, comment down what that plate is under. Like, what is that for? Is it like true European? Is that what that means? Or is it just like some kind of dealer plate? I don't get it. It looks cool though. What the hell? Crazy. Oh damn, those are nice. Damn, those tips are huge. Damn. Crazy. This one's tuned. Oh, this one's clean. Carbon front. Crazy. And the BBS's. Damn, that wheel's tight. That center exit is dope. Damn. What's up, man? Damn. This thing look crazy. Super wide body. What's in this thing, man?
Volkswagen VR6.
Okay.
With a 6-speed.
Oh shit.
No twin.
This thing, the wide body looks crazy on it.
Thanks, man.
Oh, dang. Crazy. Damn, it looks real snug in there.
I like small cars.
GTI. Damn. Fuck. Damn. Bro, this thing, you can tell there's like a deep purple on this thing. Look at that. Crazy. Full carbon wing. Sheesh. It's like way crazy. The carbon. The devil, bro. That's sick as shit. Got suicide doors on it. Crazy. The Venom with. The suicide doors. It's crazy. Hello. This is sick. Porsche alloys on it. What's up, guys? Good, and yourself?
Right.
Damn. Crazy.
Tomorrow, yeah. My lunch.
Sure.
Not the same.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't
I actually seen one of those with a fucking Corvette engine in it. Dude, this one is super nice. I wonder where these Mark 8R guys are. This one's definitely tuned. Definitely tuned. This one's got the carbon. I need these right here. Any manuals or these little DSG? Man, DSG. I mean, DCC? Oh, fucking. Dude, stock exhaust? Stock exhaust? Holy shit, dude, this thing must sound crazy. Like a diesel. And you got a little on me. I need a Max Wing. Head ass. She looking real pretty though. So we got 3 Mark 8s. I mean, well, very few cars. For that GTR though. Wow, I want to take another look at the GTR. Shout out, man, Rizzle. This dude's fast right here, especially tuned. Just got my little milkshake posted up. It's pretty dead. Might just dip out, but hey, man, we made it out. We saw some cars, got some content. I'm gonna post this no matter what. Just gotta go to some better meets, you know? But it's all good. Stony Mark 8 signing off, motherfuckers. You know, we made it to the drag strip right here. Clutch a little draggy. Now we're calling it a night. Peace out, peeps.